how to reset your whatnot password. Hello everybody and welcome back. If you have forgotten your password or you would like to create up a new password for your whatnot account, in today's video we'll be providing you with a step-by-step guide for that. So let's get started. So for that, you can open up the app or the browser and you can head over to the login screen. So you can basically open up the application, and once it loads up completely, you can tap on this option called login, already have an account, and when you do, you will be given an option to continue with Google, Facebook, and email. So for Google and Facebook, you do not need to enter password, but for email, you need to do. So tap on the third option and you will be taken to the login page. So we have this section directly called Forgot Password, where we can restore our password. So for that, we can tap on Forgot Password. And once we do so, what we need to do is we need to provide in our email address. So in this email box right here, you can type in the email address linked to your whatnot in your inbox. So you can just go and provide it up and tap and submit. And if you do not see the email, you can check your spam or the junk folders. And once it is done, you can open up the email application. So open up the email app and there basically click on the provided password reset link to go to the reset page, and you can enter up your new password, confirm it, making sure it meets the new requirement, and you can confirm it up and save it up. And once it is done, you can use your new password to log in back into your account. And that's it. That is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that, which is super quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.